during engineering course, but the girl is still looking for an admission. So when they were talking, the guy said, for now, any lady he meets when you are in your second year, no matter how perfect the lady can be, even if you love the lady, he's not ready to get engaged, not to settle down. He's not ready because he has not seen other world. You can imagine a foolish, stupid, selfish, self-centered idea. You say you have never met white lady before. You have never met Asian ladies. You have not been to, you have not seen anywhere outside the world to have a feeling of what their women could be like. So you can never get hooked, no matter even if you meet an angel for now in relationship. Even if can you imagine? Do you know that this guy is not married to today? Calculate his age. He was born 1980. The guy he has not settled down till today. Believe me. And you see, when your life is filled with infatuation, you are boredom and battling your life with infatuations, things that have been. Wonderful Pastor Chris Oyakilome, we call him mirage. Pastor Chris will say, it's a mirage. Don't fall for it. Mirage simply means something that is not real. Imagine somebody that God has, any stage of your life, like age 19, you were in your second year, 200 level in the university, Uniben. You met a lovely girl, a decent girl, that you can start your life together from there. It's possible in the next 4 years, 4 years is enough for you to cut. You people will be planning your life. And she's not disturbing you while she's in your life from dating other people. She's not choking you. Yes, you say you have not seen the world. Till today, as handsome the guy is, as learned, as sexy, beautiful, and he has gotten a car, he has a good job, he has not settled down. And he's not even a baby father. He doesn't even have one single issue. Not that he's impotent. I'm telling you the mightiness of God. If you think you are smart, heaven can frustrate your smartness. Look at Ahithophel in the Bible. He was rated one of the most intelligent soothsayer. But when you begin to use the gift, the talents God gave to you, in other side, you want to be useful for the devil. David prayed the right prayer concerning him. Holy Lord, frustrate the effort of Ahithophel, and it was frustrated. Ahithophel eventually killed himself. Ìdádúró tí kò yẹ, uncallful delay. Guys, uncallful delay. Don't be too self-centered. Don't be too smart. There's no any other Mary's leisure anywhere else. If God say your wife will come from Ghana, if you like, say you wish to marry American lady, say you wish to marry Canadian. Men, women, are you listening? If God says your man is going to come from Cameroon, if you like, say no. If you like, these things also apply to me. We are talking to every one of us. If you like, say no, God, you are old-fashioned. Let's be led. Be wise. Stop delaying people. Stop delaying projects unnecessarily. Ẹ̀yin tèmi ṣe ń gbọ́. Mo sọ̀rọ̀ arákùnrin kan tí mo mọ̀ torí pé nígbà yẹn táwọn èèyàn bá tiẹ̀ máa tètè rí admission sí iléèwé gíga. Ó lójú iléèwé gíga ká tó lè ráwọn tó ládmission sí iléèwé gidi bíi UI, Nsukka, Unife, Unilag, Unibe ká tó lè because cut off jambu tó máa ń gbà kò kéré. Ọmọkùnrin yìí ó wá jàjà rí admission sí iléèwé gíga tí wọ́n ń pè ní Unibe. Ẹ mọ̀ pé nígbà wọn ayé máa ń wọ́n máa fi ṣoge ni. skúùlù wo ni àfẹ́sọ́nà tiẹ̀ wà, skúùlù wo ni boyfriend tìrẹ wà, skúùlù wo ni girlfriend tìrẹ wà. Kí lọmọ yìí rí admission sílé ìwé Unibev tó wà lọ́dún kejì, ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní rí rẹ̀ bí áńgẹ́lì, ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní rí rẹ̀ bí ọ̀rọ̀ gómìnà wa ni you are seeing yourself to be human being, ìwọ náà ti rí rẹ̀ bí èèyàn, godfather wa pàtàkì, ìwọ náà ti rí rẹ̀ bí èèyàn nìyẹn o, nígbà tó jẹ́ pé àkọ́bí ọmọ ẹ kápẹ́ńtà ni mi ò rí ẹ bá wí. Àbẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ríra wa bí èèyàn. Ẹlòmíì Ọlọ́run ì tí bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ rárá, wọ́n kọ́ ra fún ní opportunity kékeré, ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣe bí ọ̀bọ, orí rẹ̀ bí èèyàn. Ọlọ́run wá taari ọmọbìnrin gidi sí láàárọ̀ ayé ẹ̀ tó ń kàwé lọ́wọ́, wọ́n jọ ń kàwé lọ́wọ́ bí ìyẹn ò tiẹ̀ tí ì rà admission, ṣé ẹ̀ ń gbọ́ ẹ̀yin tèmi? Wọ́n dẹ̀ jọ ń sọ̀rọ̀, ó ní lọ́wọ́ tóun wà yìí o, iye ò tiẹ̀ ní pé kó fẹ́ òun sí ni yẹn ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́sọ débẹ̀ pé bèrè àmàsí ó ní òun kẹ̀ ó lóun ò tí ì rí gbogbo àgbáyé o, òun ò tí ì fi Nàìjíríà sílẹ̀ kó ń lọ, òun ò tí ì tóbìnrin ibi báyìí wò, òun ò tí ì tóbìnrin China wò, òun ò tí ì tóbìnrin kí lójú òun tí ì rí, òun ò tí ì wà exposed to the world, òun ò lè sáré ní ìwọ̀nba àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà tóun ti fẹ́ yìí, òun ò lè pọkànpọkàn sójú kan pé àwọn ti rí ìyàwó nìyẹn, òun ò mọ̀ bóyá òun sì máa rí obìnrin tó bẹ́tà tó dáa ju bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lọ tóun bá kúrò nílùú òun tóun travel lọ sílùú aláwọ̀ funfun, òun ò mọrú obìnrin tó níbẹ̀ bóyá ó tún dáa ju obìnrin tìlú òun lọ. Mo ń bọ́rọ̀ bọ́ ẹ lọ́nà jìn. Di òní ọmọkùnrin yìí ti pé 30 ọdún àti 38 years, bó ṣe dáa tó lọ́kùnrin tó ní iṣẹ́ gidi lọ́wọ́, tó nílé lórí, tó ní ọkọ, tí kì í dẹ̀ ṣe òkòbó, kò tí ì fẹ́yàwó dè ní o, látàrí pé kò tí ì rẹ̀ tó fẹ́fẹ́, kò dẹ̀ bímọ rí. Ẹ bá dẹ̀ rí ọmọkùnrin tó rẹwà, tó kún fún ọgbọ́n, tó kàwé, tó ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀, ṣùgbọ́n ọgbọ́n àgbọ̀njù máa ń pa ọlọ́gbọ́n gbà mí ni. Obìnrin tí Ọlọ́run taari sí láàyè ayé kò sóbìnrin tó dára tó, ní ti ẹ̀kọ́ ni, ní ti ìwà ni, ní ti ẹwà ni. Ìdádúró tí kò yẹ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àìbìkítà ẹ̀dá ló ń fà á. Uncallful delay is caused by the negligence and carelessness of human being. Kàkà kẹ́ ẹ máa fa ìdádúró fún ọmọlàkejì ń fúnra yín, ẹ̀pà ń pa rẹ̀, ó ṣe bọ́jọ́ lòun pa, ẹ̀ ṣe sọ fún olúkúlùkù kó máa bá tiẹ̀ lọ. Ìdádúró ń gbà mí ká máa, when you postpone is uncalled for most times. Don't be too watchful. My pastor always says when he's talking about courtship, he said minimum for courtship is 1 year, minimum. Maximum should be 5 years. Any courtship that is above 5 years, you guys are still together. We have courtships like that. Oh, that one is no longer courtship. It's not normal anymore. Unless something reasonable is delaying you people. Ìdádúró tó lè fẹ́ pé ìdádúró kí kò yẹ. Kò sí nǹkan tó ń dá ìdádúró ni. Before we can call it uncallful delay, that means there's nothing delaying you people. You are the one that is just you are just being vigilant unnecessarily. And let me still watch her. Let me still watch him. I pray again. Something good will not pass us by. Be vigilant. Be sensitive. Nǹkan dáradára ò ní kò ní kọjá wa, mo tún gbà ládùúrà fún wa. Ẹ̀mú ẹ̀dá ti láṣẹ jùjù. Like me, as a psychologist, I say I read people, I'm studious. Not reading in total. The little tip I know about you, I study about people, is enough for me to know everything I want to know. Bí mo ṣe pera mi ní àfíjú pé gẹ́gẹ́ bí iṣẹ́ mi, kì í ṣe pé gbogbo nǹkan ní máa fi ṣọ́ ẹ̀dá. Ìwọ̀nba nǹkan tí n bá bó ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ lásán ló sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan, mo ti mọ gbogbo nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ mọ̀ pa ẹ̀dá. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká máa ní Ọlọ́run. you understand me, guys? So yé wa ṣá, ẹ̀yin obìnrin, látàrí pé ní adé orí, gbogbo òṣòro lẹ́sẹ̀ gbélé lórí, ẹ sọ di kẹ́tẹ́kẹ́tẹ́. Some of you have made, most women, you have made your spouse, your man, a camel. You want to put every liability, every weight, every burden on him. Be wise, so it's not every issue you discuss with your man. At times you'll be dying many times inside. You don't have to speak out. Be strong for yourself. Learn to manage. Learn to be independent on yourself. That is why most people don't get spouse easily. You want somebody that will come there. If you forget that we are all human, he has his own issue too, and be on and off for you. Somebody you can tell everything. If you tell man everything nowadays, he'll be run away from you. I'm telling you the truth. You say you are being honest. That is not honest, though. That is selfishness, self-centered. His own issue is in his life that he has not handled, that he still believes in God. You are telling him everything, weighing him, overburdening him for no reason. Don't overburden your spouse. Ẹ má di ẹrù wíwo lé ọ̀rẹ́ kejì olólùfẹ́ yín, ẹ má di ẹrù wíwo lé lórí. Kì í ṣe gbogbo nǹkan tó ń lọ nínú ayé yín ológbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ alákòóso. Ẹ má pa á. Nǹkan tó ń fa ìdádúró tí kò yẹ nìyẹn. Ẹlòmíràn rò pé òun ìtì ìfẹ́ yín wọlé ló le tó báyìí. Ẹ sọ fáwọn ẹbí yín kó má dìlé lọ́rùn, ẹ má pa á. Don't kill your spouse with a lot of weight. Let your family responsibility, let it stay clear from him or her. Relationship is all about encouragement, to encourage each other, not to put burden on each other. Ẹjọ́ máa rọra yín lọ́wọ́ ni. Ìdádúró tí kò yẹ. Ìdádúró tí kò yẹ. Delay that is uncalled for, that Lord will help us. Especially in this Valentine season. Guys, summon courage. Propose to that beautiful lady. Summon courage. Let all that you people have passed through, let it go. Summon courage in that marriage. Make sweet love to your woman and have children. Summon courage. Forget all the issues you have, all the problems you are having. Let it go. All the challenges. Summon courage. Go and ask that fellow, that sweet lady out. Summon courage. Go and ask her out. Summon courage. Move into the next level. Start serious relationship. Summon courage. Propose. You cannot get any better lady than that. She's all in all. She's all that you want. If she's having some weaknesses, you can manage and work on her. You can be a mentor. Teach her tips. Things that doesn't concern, let her know that you are not supposed to be telling me something like this, e.g. Not that I'm trying to shy away from responsibility. Go and take that step in that relationship. Tell her, would you marry me? You lady, go and tell your man that you are ready. Go back and tell him now that you are ready to do the introduction. Ẹ gbé ìgbésẹ̀, arákùnrin arábìnrin, ẹ lọ gbé ìgbésẹ̀ yẹn wá tì yín lẹ́yìn. Ẹ má gbọ́gbọ́n àgbọ́jú. Ẹ yé